In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace an image using vector tools, specifically focusing on the pen tool. This technique is invaluable whether you're working on turning sketches into digital art or refining a design from a photo. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step, ensuring each part is clear and manageable. First, you'll want to place the image you wish to trace in your document. You can do this by navigating to the File menu and selecting Place. Choose the image file from your computer, whether it's a photo, a hand-drawn sketch, or any other type of artwork you intend to trace. Position the image within your document to your liking, as this will be the foundation upon which you'll build. Once you've got the image in place, it's crucial to lock this layer. Locking it prevents accidental movement while you're tracing. Adjust the opacity of the layer to around 50%. This transparency will allow you to see your tracing paths clearly over the image, providing a clearer view of both the image and your work. Next, create a new layer specifically for your tracing. In the Layers panel, simply click on Add Layer, or Go Through Layer, then New Layer. It's helpful to give this layer a descriptive name, like Trace. Make sure this new layer is placed above the image layer. By doing this, you ensure that all your tracing work sits directly on top of the image, exactly where it should be. With your layers set, it's time to select the pen tool. You can easily access it via the toolbar or even use the shortcut, which is the letter P. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the context toolbar, where you can adjust settings such as stroke width and decide whether you want the fill to be none or a specific color. This customization allows your traced paths to match your intended design style. Now, let's begin the actual tracing process by focusing on the image's outlines. Click on the image to create anchor points. These points will act as cornerstones of your path. For curves, click and drag to reveal handles, which you can adjust to form smooth curves. If you need to change direction, use the Alt key or Option on a Mac, and click to break the handles. Start by tracing the major shapes, such as the outer silhouette of your object. Doing so lays the groundwork for more detailed tracing. Once these primary outlines are established, move on to finer details, enhancing the overall texture and intricacy of your trace. By following these steps, you'll have traced your image with precision, creating a clean, vectorized version. This technique provides a perfect blend of creativity and precision, allowing for scalable designs that remain crisp and clear at any size. Practice and patience will further refine your skill, enabling you to create stunning digital artwork from any image you choose.